Ang pag-aaralan natin ay kung papaano ipe-prepare ang sarili natin para mag-alaga ng ball python. And for us to know kung ano yung pinakamaganda at tamang alaga sa kanila, we'll have to know kung saan ba sila nanggaling at kung ano ba yung behavior nila so that we can replicate it sa care natin. Number one is this species of pythons are native to Central and West Africa. So you wouldn't find them here in the Philippines. So do not claim na may nahuli kayong ball python dito sa Pilipinas because they do not naturally occur here in the Philippines. So given that information na hindi sila naturally occurring here in the Philippines, they are exotic animals dito sa atin. Number two is that ball pythons are known to be very insecure animals, which is why they live under burrows. So yung mga dinukal ng ibang mga hayop, dun po sila pumupunta, dun sila nagtatago. And the reason why their colors are brown and black and very earthy is because that allows them to camouflage. So given that information, we have to provide them security, which is why we put hides in their enclosure. Number three is that they are rodent eaters. So in the wild, of course, meron naman silang variety of diet, pero mostly consisting of rodents. So dito sa atin, in captivity, we feed them mice kapag ka baby. Yung mice yung maliit na daga. And then kapag ka medyo malaki na, kagaya ng isang ito, na 10 years old na by the way, ay rats na yung kinakain. Next thing you want to know about ball pythons is that they are nocturnal. So, mas active sila sa gabi, hapon, pupwede na. So, if you want to handle them and if you don't want to mess up their sleeping pattern, you want to handle them at night or hapon. Yung usual time ko din na nagpapakain ng ball pythons ay sa gabi dahil mas active nga sila sa gabi. So again, with that information na sa gabi sila gising, so hindi sila nakakapagpaaraw for thermoregulation, which is called basking. Other species po kasi ng reptiles like some lizards, kailangan nilang magpaaraw para mag-thermoregulate. They have to thermoregulate because they are ectothermic, meaning wala silang capability na i-heat up yung katawan nila kagaya natin. So hindi nila na i-raise yung body temperature nila, which is why they rely on their surroundings. So again, ball pythons seldom bask in the wild. Bihira silang nakikita para mag-bask. So you have to make sure that your room can provide the right temperature for them para makapag-digest ng prey. Sa observation ko, okay na yung 27, 28 hanggang 30 degrees Celsius na temperature sa kwarto. So yung room temp natin dito sa Pilipinas actually works very well for them. And lastly is that ball pythons only grow up to 4 to 5 feet for